Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I'm Mohammed Hassan and today I'm going to explore another perfume and scent, a really lovely scent from Boadicea The Victorious, which is Rose Sapphire. I mostly find this is the sample actually. So I mostly find that this perfume is mostly sold out on their website because I think it is one of the best from them. You can see over here, I have almost emptied out this vial. So you can see. So I have used half of it. So let's spray it and find out how it actually smells. So let's get started. This is Rose Sapphire strip. Let's spray. Spicy, fresh, wet, sweet, rose, a little bit of syrupy, but a really good amount of oil. You can see it has left some yellow spots on this paper. Kind of remind me some mukhallats and atars. So in that direction, fresh spicy rose. Yes, it is really very close to some others, syrupy other kind of rose which you find in most of the others. But the rose here is really nicely mixed with some spices, very nice mix. It is damp, it is wet, fresh, spicy. Rose, herbal, yes, it has some herbal kind of spices and herbal kind of mix to it. Like there has been some spices and herbs that has been mixed with the wet sweet rose. Now the rose is getting a bit away from the foreground and now it has some backup woody notes, light woody notes in the background. So if you want to have some light, woody, rose, other kind of feeling, then this is a best spicy rose. Again, the same accord that they have been used in many of their perfumes. I think I reviewed one more which was Decade from Boadicea The Victorious. It has the same similar woody rose accord which is a really nicely balanced, and you can only find those in the perfumes from Boadicea The Victorious. This is a Kuwaiti company from Kuwait. Now this is amazing. The woodiness, light woodiness, like you have a flower on a dry cedar wood. Okay. Not very kind of woody like you get the wood from the pencil sharpeners. So if you use pencils, lead pencils, it is not that kind of woody smell. It is very delicate, floral, woody accord that I really enjoy. It has some, maybe some background earthiness or maybe some herbal kind of things mixed into it to balance it a bit more, which I find very rounded, very balanced. Now the spiciness in the rose is almost gone. It's aromatic, it's sweet, it's fresh spicy in the start, a little bit maybe in the background, the earthiness is there, herbal, light woody. I'm not sure which herbs they have used, but really nice. It smells like you are in a forest where we have few trees and we have roses around and we have some herbs that are, the smell is coming from all the woods, the herbs and the roses. A bit syrupy, Little bit syrupy, not too much. In the start it had a very other kind of vibe, but now it is more balanced, woody, I would say aromatic, rose. Really nice. Herbal, aromatic, some earthiness, some woodiness, and some sweet rose. That is why you can see I have, you can say I have sprayed it many times. I think this is a bottle worthy rose, and a woman would look or feel really good in it. Even men would love it on their own skins. I would really recommend it. A bit syrupy, that is for me, I would say a turn off. I don't like too syrupy roses, but it's a nice one. It's not too much syrupy, but it has a little bit of syrupy kind of rose vibe with some woodiness in the background. Sweet, aromatic. That is all about Boadicea The Victorious. This one is Rose Sapphire. Rose Sapphire. So here actually I have written the name at the bottom, you can see over here. So this is Rose Sapphire I have written over here. So I would also add some comments or things when I publish this video. Yes, amber is also coming out. Amber, woody, light, very light amber. Just to ground this perfume, because it is rosy, it is very airy. Very nice. I would say really nicely done perfume from Boadicea The Victorious. So I hope you have enjoyed this review of Rose Sapphire from me. I try to explain it as simple as I can. Make sure you try the samples first from their website. The link in the description. You can purchase the samples over there and try it yourself. And if you like, or if you have purchased any of their perfume, do write something in the comments section below. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.